Should this have stayed in the video? So I need to continue working on the game. My laptop's kind of out of batteries, so I have this thing. I'm not really sure how to turn it on or where the battery slot even is, but I should be able to get some work done with this. Guys, I think I heard something outside my tent. Hello? Is someone out there? I'm gonna check and see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's a floating grocery list.